Hey guys, welcome to Motoioi.com. Today we are going to demonstrate on how to install Motoioi Headlight Protector for KTM 390 Adventure. The process is very simple and it will take just 15 to 20 minutes for the installation. It's a DIY process, so kindly follow all the instructions as per the instruction manual or as per this video. Before starting the installation process, make sure that your headlamp is clean. You can clean your headlamp with the help of microfiber cloth. After cleaning the headlamp, you have to remove the number plate assembly which is below the headlight assembly. The number plate assembly is held up with the help of 4 bolts. You have to remove those 4 bolts. Now we have removed the number plate assembly. The second process is to remove this plate which is at the center of the headlamp just below the windshield. You can just pull it out and remove. Now take the Motoioi headlight guard. As you can see, it has 2 brackets, one at the top and one at the bottom, which is integrated to the headlight guard. Now place the headlight guard onto the headlight assembly, and with the help of additional SS bolt provided in the package, mount the top bracket onto the top mounting hole. To ensure proper alignment, do not tighten the bolt completely. You can do it in the later stage. Now take the number plate assembly and fix it along with the bottom bracket of the headlight guard onto the headlight assembly with the help of these 4 bolts provided in the package. Now tighten all the bolts simultaneously to ensure proper fitment. Now tighten the top bolt with the help of Allen key or a ratchet. And that's it guys, Motoioi headlight guard has been installed. Now comes the unique part of this headlight guard, that is the yellow filter. Now this yellow filter can be integrated on the same headlight guard. You don't need to change the entire headlight guard. This can be integrated onto this particular headlight protector by just removing these brackets. I'll show you how. To mount the yellow filter inside this headlight protector, you need to remove all the bolts and the bracket of this headlight protector. Be a little gentle to pull the headlight guard outside to avoid any damage. Now gently slide the yellow filter inside the transparent headlight guard, and with the help of bracket and the bolts, align the yellow filter with the bracket and tighten all the bolts. And in this way you can install the yellow filter in this headlight protector. If you want to clean the headlight from inside and the guard from inside, all you need to do is remove this bolt, gently pull the guard outside, and with a microfiber cloth you can clean the headlight from inside as well as guard from inside. And that's it. That's how easy it is to clean the guard and the headlight with this particular headlight protector.